Good afternoon. Justin here with the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to do the first of several videos for you guys on our 1997 Porsche 911 993 cab. This is a 25,000 mile car, and it's just so beautiful that I think it's going to take a lot of demonstrations just to show it off to you guys. Original factory paint, arena red, tan guts. Just look at how nice these seats are. Just gorgeous. 25,000 miles and it shows, folks. Carpets. These are the kind of carpets that have not been detailed to make look nice again. They've just always been covered. The owner of this car, personal friend, and maybe the most fastidious car owner I know. I'm surprised he's let me even touch this car, let alone sell it for him, but he has given us the opportunity. So I want to make sure that I give the car all the opportunities that it deserves as well. Look at this car, gorgeous. We took extra time with this car. We did a service to the car. We also replaced the fuel pump. We did new tires all the way around for this car. They're brand new. And the ice blasting. And let me tell you guys, ice blasting of a car like this is a very delicate matter, because you have to clean it without taking off the factory cosmoline and some stuff that you guys are going to want on your car, so it is as it should be. And this one really got our best treatment. We will be doing driving videos. We will be doing top operation videos. We will do cold start, and anything else you may request. And you can request these things in the comments, and I will be happy to do them as well. We are in monsoon season in our Avant-Garde Portland location, so we're going to have to drive between the raindrops. This is a car that the owner has never driven in the rain. I asked him if he washed it in water. I guess he does that, but that's about as wet as the car has been. But man, what a car. What a nice ride. So please join us as we demonstrate more of the fine qualities of this car. And again, if you have questions, please ask them in the comments, and we will be happy to get right back to you. Thanks, guys. Happy bidding. Good afternoon, guys. Justin here with the Avant-Garde Collection, doing a video of the top operation on our 993 cab here. There you go, and let's go up. There you go, guys. I do want to take a second and talk about the top. It is the age of the car, so there does show a couple snags here where it folds down, but all the stitching is great. The color is very black. Like most of these, I think that it didn't get a whole lot of use, but up and down over time will always crease the canvas. But all the seals are excellent. And there you have it. All right, guys, look for our next videos.